So by data, currently Nigeria has about 9 million deaf people. And if we don't do something about that community, getting them employable, it's also a potential crisis for the nation. And what we're doing is trying to get people employable. Once you can get people productive, the better for the nation. It contributes to the GDP, it contributes to their own personal growth. It reduces the potentials, the possibility of banditry, because if somebody is not working, he needs to eat. And he will get the food whichever way, and all of that, instead of becoming public nuisance to learn these skills that can really get them employable. And that's what we're doing here.
This program is all about is trying to bring these people with disability on how they can, we call it transition into tech. How do you transit into tech? We don't want them to say they are going out, begging for all that. We realize that when they are trained into tech, they can go to any office, to get job.
Some of our facilitators do not know sign language, and that is why we have interpreters on ground ready to interpret at every point of the program.
In this program, I have many skills that is used in full to help all the deaf, to encourage them to have jobs. And also some are graduates, some of the participants are graduates, some are still in school. They need to have skills. Why? Which will help my life to have more experience and to achieve all my goals. I've been trained before. The training I learned. Okay. What's more better is before I enter, I was not knowledgeable. Okay, I had learned small before, but now I'm beginning to have interest in data analysis. And now I can see I'm beginning to learn quick. And today, they are bringing me back to be trained again. I am very happy to be here. And I am expecting that I will learn more, better than before.